Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Been hanging around waiting for you to show up. So you guys ready? We're doing a 5-ingredient keto recipe. A lot of you trying to stay away from sugar. A lot of you trying to stay away from carbs. That seems to be the two killers, so we don't want any of that stuff. This is going to be a healthy little dessert that you can whip together. Only 5 ingredients. Almost every household has it, okay? So get ready. Come on in close. And I just want to let you know that my progress is going good with Profile by Sanford. Down 21 pounds. I am moving along. I've got, about 80 to go. I'm trying to do 100 pounds total. So everything's going great. I feel great. Got a lot of energy. I'm glad to be here, and I'm pumped about this recipe. Hope it's good. Come on in close. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's run over these quick ingredients. You've got this amazing instant coffee called Death Wish Coffee. I'm telling you, this coffee is amazing. Even the instant one tastes good. You got vanilla extract right here. We're using Swerve as our sweetener. We're not using sugar. We're using unsweetened cocoa powder and cream. That's it. All right, guys, so we're going to take this heavy whipping cream, put it in this bowl. We're going to use a hand mixer to whip it thick, and it's got little peaks. And if you don't know what that means, when you lift your mixer up a little bit, you'll see it makes little peaks of whipped cream. Okay, so let's put that in right now. Goes in nice and slow. Okay, guys, so get your mixer in, start it on low. And just keep whipping it until it gets real thick. So basically, when you pull the mixer out, you'll see little peaks. You'll see a thickness happening. It's getting a little thick, and because you're infusing air into it. So then it says, once it gets there where you get little peaks, okay, you get little tiny bumps that come up. Whoops. Got some on my finger. Then you're going to put the rest of the ingredients in. So we're going to put the sweetener in. There we go. All right, we're going to put the cocoa powder in. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of dark, just for flavor, dark cocoa powder. Okay. You can do Dutch chocolate if you want. You can do cocoa powder. You can just do another tablespoon of regular powder, but I want to give it more flavor. Then we're taking vanilla, putting our vanilla in. There we go. Now, this is the magic. This is the instant Death Wish coffee. You're going to put that in. There we go. And slowly mix this. And then go back in and slowly mix it all together till it gets a mousse consistency, okay? All right, guys, you can see kind of a mousse thickness. It looks like this inside. Let me show you. See? It looks nice and thick and chocolatey. And there's no sugar in it. And it's keto version. It's literally perfect. So we're going to serve this up right now. I'm allowed to have whipped cream, like sugar-free whipped cream or regular whipped cream. As long as it has that, most of them have like less than a gram of sugar in the whole can, whole serving size. So you got to be careful with your sugars, and let's serve this up right now. There it is, guys, right there. Nice and beautiful. Look at it. It's beautiful mousse consistency. It's a keto chocolate mousse, and look how thick it is. Let's put a spoon right in there. Look at it. Don't even fall. Nice and thick, holding on to it. So I told Tammy, I said, leave the blender. I grew up licking those mixing coils or whatever they're called. I don't know what they're called. The spinners. I mean, it's got tons of that keto chocolate mousse on there, but we're going right out of the bowl. We're going to do a little whipped cream. Give it a try. Here we go. It's sweet. It's coffee. It's chocolatey. It's amazing. It's got whipped cream on it. This is flawless. This is definitely a great little dessert that you can have. I'd have a lot more like after dinner. I would have a larger bowl of this, but yeah, this is amazing. Look at that. It's beautiful. All right. I'm going to lick those bad boys after I unplug it, and I'm going to have that for dessert tonight. And I'm all excited because it was super easy, super healthy keto chocolate mousse.